Hello guys, you guys are watching Epic Reviews. My name is Sammy and today I have the keys of this beautiful M4 Competition 2020. So fully optioned. I just want to thank first of all my friend Unlucky M4 on Instagram. Make sure you guys follow him because it's all thanks to him this got together. So he's lending me his beautiful M4 for a little POV driving. We're gonna take it on the highway and you guys will really experience how does it feel like to drive an M4. I won't be talking, I'll let the car speak for itself. You guys have to look. Full Silverstone interior, bucket seats. Looks amazing. Can't wait to drive it. Amazing. Okay, now it's good. Oh, I forgot I can turn right on red, huh? Yeah. Forgot. God, me too.
Especially with the paddles.
Yeah, I always drive with the paddles.
Yeah,
it's a crazier feeling.
This is an acceptable manual.
Yes, because the actual shifter, it's not on the traffic and everything. It's too annoying.
It's nice to drive, but with the traffic, it's painful.
Exact. It's amazing.
Before I buy it, I was watching a lot of reviews.
Yeah?
Yeah, on YouTube.
Me too. Every time I buy anything, I watch videos, everything, reviews.
Especially like something
This expensive.
expensive.
Yeah.
So I was watching some guy driving it in the winter.
Yes, I saw that
He
video.
was putting dead body in the truck
Yeah, I saw it.
just to make it like heavy
Yeah.
to drive in the winter. It was crazy.
It's so sharp.
Yeah, it's on the ground.
Yeah. Like the steering is so like amazing.
The maximum speed I drove 180.
180 in
Yeah,
this.
it was crazy.
Me, I'll stay in the limit. It's not my car.
No, you'd like give it, but
Yeah, you sure?
Yeah.
I won't go crazy. Wow.
Yeah, it's monster, and you don't feel it. It's crazy.
And bro, I saw the limit just go up. I'm like, okay, I have to stop. Yeah, this car is crazy. 444 horsepower. My God. All my test drives, I take this route at work.
Oh,
A nice Ferrari that passed by too.
yeah.
But I find the M4 looks nicer. Like it's an older Ferrari, that's why. This route is very nice. Like a couple weeks ago they had leaves, so it looked very nice. Now it's like dead.
Oh, yeah.
It's all like empty, but it still looks cool. So I just The sound is amazing. My God. I'm gonna say it like 20 more times, I'm sure. Do a U-turn here and just come back. But the car is so smooth. It's amazing. Like, it's more smooth than one of the new cars I've driven.
I think we're not gonna have winter this.
Like a crazy winter, no, eh?
I think we're not gonna have a lot of snow.
I'm hoping, because I don't like snow.
And the shift really.
It's pretty
Really
quick.
fast. Love it. It's engineering.
It's amazing. Wow.
Crazy.
You can't beat German engineering. Let's say I do a little pull.
It's relaxing.
Wow.
This is the first time I sit here and someone drives.
Oh yeah? First,
Yeah.
so you really trust me.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, because I don't like going crazy with cars that are not mine. Like on my car, I have no problem going fast, but when it's someone else, I'm like, oh, okay, I have to relax.
Yeah.
No, but the seats too, they hug you very nice. Like, the drive is so comfortable. I thought it's gonna be more rough, but it's very comfortable. The little burbles are crazy. Let's say if this, put it like this. Yeah, the shifts are instant. Like the second I click, wow.
Yeah, it's like connected right away.
Yeah, it's like snappy. Even the downshifts. At first I was afraid to drive a rear-wheel drive car because like the balance and everything, like if I push too much. But this car, it stays put.
Yeah, I think because you have the traction control.
Yeah.
If it's off, it will go like.
Yeah, no, that's
left
scary.
and right.
That's scary. I don't want to try that.
You see the American cars.
Yeah, they always slide like,
They slide up and
they just go on the side. Yeah. Mustangs. There's a lot of memes about Mustangs. And you went 180 on this. My God.
Yeah, I was going to Toronto.
Ah, yeah. And over there's always like straight lines to really push it.
But it's still like still scary.
Yes.
If you get stopped by police, that's it. You're done.
You're done. Yeah, 180. I think your license could get suspended.
Yeah, and the money you pay,
Yeah.
it's crazy.
Your points, everything gone for a little bit of fun. For some people, it's worth it. Not for me. Me, I want to keep my license.
I won't do it anymore. That's it. Like
Here 120, 125 max. That was cool. Man, the turns are so smooth.
Sharp.
Yeah. Like it's so easy.
Enjoyable, honestly.
Oh my god. I will never get bored. I'm sure when you're bored, you don't know what to do. You just take your car,
Yeah.
Sport Plus, and
Yeah.
that's it. Man, the M4 is a legendary car. I hope one day I can own one.
Next one.
Next car,
Right.
yeah. But the winter is the problem. That's the only problem that I have. If we didn't have winter, without hesitation, nice and slow. Put it back on auto.